Great event, a great venue that we're able to catch up with existing customers and also new customers, with new peers, and also to exchange a new idea and innovative idea in the market for the future developments. It's a great value. It's a media where we can sharing our innovative idea to the customers, can meet a lot of range customers. It's a great traffic. So we meet customers all over from the Asia Pacific, especially from the Southeast Asia market. So it's helping us to build the brand, to build the image of the company, and also to build awareness to the markets that ADM here is to help to grow the markets.
We get more opportunity and we can create more the relationship with the customer, because the customer see our booth and see that so you have a smart booth, you have interesting product. That's very useful for us.
Yeah, FIA Asia is provide very good opportunity to meet overseas customer and also the domestic customer. We met a lot of new customer here and several potential. I think it's if just only a few customer that can make a business with us. So it could provide so many benefits for us to join this exhibition.
FIA for more than 10 years, and every year we are here and we see more and more visitors and exhibitors from all over the world, not only from Asia but many from Latin America and Europe. We find more and more principals, suppliers and customers to our product. And moreover, we can see a lot of new trends, new inquiries. So we can see the trend of the market, the food market, where it's going to be developed in the next 5 years or 10 years.